Good morning, children. Today in the mathematics class, I'll be teaching you what comes before, after, and between. Okay, and we will deal with numbers from 1 to 10. Okay, but before we do that, you have to know the number line. This is the number line. Okay, we start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and it goes on and on and on. But we are only dealing with numbers from 1 to 10. That is why I have numbers from 1 to 10. Okay? So I counted in this way. So this is forward counting. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is forward counting. And you also have to know backwards counting. So it's 10, then 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is backwards counting. I'm repeating once again. When you count from 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is forward counting. You're moving forward. Okay. Now we are moving backwards. So it's 10, then 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is backwards counting. Before we do what comes before and what comes after, you have to know the number line and you also have to know what is forward counting and what is backwards counting. Okay, now let's start with what comes between. This is very easy. You have to do forward counting for this. So it's 1, then what is the answer here? Then 3. 1 something 3. So let's find out what is the answer that comes between 1 and 3. We have to look at the number line here. Okay. So 1, 2, then 3. So what comes between 1 and 3? It is 2. It is 2. So your answer here is 2. Okay. The next question says, what comes between 6 and 8? Again, you have to do forward counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. Then what comes after 6? It is 7. Okay, so the answer here is 7. 7 comes between 6 and 8. The next question says, what comes between 8 and 10? So let's find out here. Again, you do forward counting. You look at the number line and do forward counting. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then 9. So the answer here is 9. So 9 comes between 8 and 10. So in this way, you will be doing this exercise. Okay. Now let's look at the next question. Here, the question says what comes after. This also, you will have to do forward counting. Okay. What comes after? 5. So let's see what comes after 5. Forward counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then it's 6. So the answer here is 6. Okay. What comes after 5 is 6. The next question says, what comes after 9? So let's look at the number line again. Let's start counting forward. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So what comes after 9? It's 10. So the answer here is 10. So children, forward counting is very easy. I hope you can do it. So you will have to look at the number line and find the answer and write the answer here. Okay. Now let's look at the last exercise. What comes before? For this, you have to be very careful. Okay. You have to do backward counting. So, what comes before 3? No, what comes before 3? So, let's do backwards counting. From 10, we'll start. 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. What comes after 3? It's 2. So the answer here for what comes before is 2. But here we are doing backwards counting. Okay? Next, let's look at the next question. What comes before 6? Again, backwards counting. From 10 we'll start. 10, 9, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. What comes after 6 here? It's 5. So the answer here, what comes before 6 is 5. Understood? Again, look at the next question. What comes before 2? For this also, you'll have to do backwards counting. Okay? Let's do backwards counting from 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. So what comes after 2 is 1. So the answer here is 1. Okay? Look at the next question here. What comes before 8? For this also, you will have to do backwards counting. Let's do backwards counting again. So it's 10, 9, 8. What comes after 8? 7. So the answer here is 7. Okay? Let's look at the next question. What comes after? What comes before 10? So let's start counting backwards again. So it's 10, then 9. So the answer here is 9. You'll write 9 here. Okay. Look at the last question. What comes before 5? Again, we'll do backwards counting. Let's do backwards counting. It's 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Then comes 4. So the answer here is 4. Okay. So please remember, when you're doing what comes before, you will have to count backwards. Backward counting, I'm repeating once again, will start from 10. It goes back, you're going back. So 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And for what comes between and what comes after, you will do forward counting. You'll move forward. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I hope you understood, children. So that is all for today. I'll be sending you some exercises regarding what comes before, what comes after, and what comes between. Please do the work and send me in the class WhatsApp. Okay? Thank you.